Here's just a quick video to show you how you can use the canvas in Codex and let Codex use it as well. So when you open up the site browser, you can go to this website excalidraw.com, and as you can see, I just ask Codex to generate this image of the cat, and then I pointed this arrow at it and asked to change the tail of the cat to a fire hose, and it did and made this image, and it immediately adds this image to the canvas. Now I asked Codex to generate 3 thumbnails for this cat video that I'm going to make, and it generated them, placed them in on the canvas, and now let's ask Codex to, for example, you could ask Codex to explain something on the canvas, explain your code base, explain a concept you try to understand, and just like that, use Codex as an image editor. I will show you one example, just like this. I can make the images bigger, and then I can say change the background color to yellow, make it a little bit bigger. Let me just zoom in a bit so you can see of this one. Change the background color to yellow and point an arrow at it, and Codex will immediately understand this and change this background to yellow. So have fun with this, and if you found a new way to use it, or something we could help each other, just let me know in the comments.